Welcome to another spring decorating video, y'all. I hope y'all had a wonderful Easter, and we're going to just do a little spring shopping today, and then we're going to go home and do some spring decorating. Spring is such an amazing season, and it's just amazing how much can change in 1 week and how everything outside can really green up and blossom. This was my phlox a week ago, and look at it now. In just 1 week, just some beautiful sunshine, some warmer temperatures, and hopefully a little bit of rain in your area really makes a huge difference. But also, along with beautiful spring weather, we also get that yellow pollen. We've got layers of it here in the south, but hopefully it's about over and we can wash it all away. I'm going to take y'all to my local Goodwill, and we're going to do a little shopping. I love to go in there at least once a week just to see some of the things that have been donated that are on the shelves. And if you don't see anything you want to purchase, a lot of times it's a great place to get some inspiration for some pieces that you may, want to get on down the line. And these plates right here are a good example. I found these in Goodwill a few weeks ago, and they were priced kind of high, but I love the style of these. So I went home and priced out a set of these at Walmart, and I actually ordered these. So I got a whole set of the dinner plates, the salad plates, and the bowls, a lot cheaper than if I would have priced them out, and bought them separately at Goodwill. So a good tip, if you find some dishes or pieces of dishes at the thrift store that you like, make sure, to go home, do your research. Maybe you can get a complete set and maybe, save money and, get them at a better price if you order them brand new as a set. Now, I love a good piece of driftwood. That wasn't real wood, but I thought that was neat. And driftwood pieces right now are really trendy. This little basket was really pretty with the flower, and I love this little butterfly vase. Very pretty, and I love the natural pottery that it's made out of, and I love the ceramic details. I found this brand new candle. This is a Better Homes and Gardens, which is sold at Walmart. It was $4.09, and it had a beautiful vessel. The candle itself did not smell very good, but I did price this out. If you bought it at Walmart versus a thrift store, it would have cost you, almost $13. Well, I want to show y'all a candle that I just received. It was gifted to me from Rose Forever of New York. If you have followed my channel throughout the years, you know I have partnered many times with Rose Forever of New York. I have featured on my channel many of their products and a lot of the roses that they, sell. Their roses are very high quality and are preserved with natural oil, so they last and are guaranteed up to 1 year. And now Rose Forever of New York has expanded their product line, and they are now offering candles. Each candle is hand poured. They are made of soy wax, so that means they are free from any toxic chemicals. They are hand blown glass, and each one has 4 wicks, so that means you get 150 hours of burn time. These candles are so perfect for relaxing or gifting. These candles smell amazing. They are packaged so well. So just go out to their website. If you want to get some of their beautiful roses, and their packaging for their roses come in several different types of containers. Just go out and check out their vast selection of products. But these new candles that they are offering are absolutely beautiful, and these are really large candles. So these are going to last you a really long time. I'm going to leave a discount code down in my description box, so make sure to use the discount code and shop their website. This little mini crock with a lid is a hearth and hand piece, and I also got this at Goodwill. I think I paid a couple of dollars for it, but I thought it would make a great vessel and container to put our matches in for our beautiful candle. Another beautiful decor piece that I've just added to my home is this beautiful canvas. This canvas was customized and made by Twing frame. I was absolutely blown away at the quality of this canvas and their prices. They have some of the best prices that I have seen on wall art. And if y'all have, priced out canvas wall art anywhere, it can run up in the money the larger size you go. I got a 24 by 36 and I got a customized canvas. That means I submitted the graphic of my choice. I purchased this graphic off of Etsy. It was less than $5. I sent it to them, and it was a good resolution to turn it into a very large canvas. They will customize and make large canvases or any size canvas that you want. They have a big selection of sizes to choose from. You can do family photos. You can, submit a graphic that you may already have, or some that you may go out and purchase on Etsy. So this right here arrived, and I could not believe the quality of this. It was absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to hang this up. So I'm going to also leave a link down in my description box for Twing Frame. Make sure to go out and check out their website, and I hope you'll buy some wall art from them because I highly recommend them. It's such a good quality and a great price. I will definitely be going back and getting some more customized wall art from Twing Frame. I could not resist picking up this box of bowl filler from Walmart. Now at the thrift store, this was $5.09. And I actually was in Walmart the other day and I wanted to take some footage of this bowl that they have over where some of the packaged filler for the bowls are. And they had featured this bowl over there in that section. And I actually have that bowl. But here it is on the shelf new at Walmart, and I think the price was around $15. So I feel like I got a good deal because since I just paid $5 for mine, I'm sorry, it was $13. And they also had those moss round balls, which those would be really pretty bowl fillers too. Those were like around the $15 range. But I think the straw ones and the nautical rope, I think those will be really pretty for spring and summer. And I have a lot of that home decor style over at the condo, and that's actually where I put the herring wall art was over there. But just giving you some ideas, I have this little whitewashed wooden bowl, and I just put some of the balls in it just to give you some ideas of how beautiful these neutral colored bowl filler balls can look, and only paid $5 for them. So you can actually swap these up, and do so many things with them, and you can add some garlands or some beads in with them, and just mix and match. And I also have this beautiful pedestal bowl, and I thought the filler balls look really good in it also. This was a great day to find some packaged bow fillers because I also found this package on the shelves at Goodwill. Now this package has some seed pods and some pine cones and a couple of other decorative balls in it. This package right here was $6. I mainly purchased it not for the pine cones because I can go out and just get those in my yard, but I love these seed pods. And I had priced these out around, fall season. And these can run up in the money too. So I'm going to definitely take those out of the package, and I'm going to show you how beautifully they style in a dough bowl or some kind of wooden, bowl or container that you have. You can just easily place these in, a little wooden bowl. Place maybe a little piece of baby's breath or a piece of floral in with them, and you can pretty much decorate with things like this all through the year, not just spring, summer, or fall. But I think these would be really pretty, styled throughout the seasons. But look at the beautiful texture of these. These are just, some of those items that are from nature, but they're absolutely beautiful, and they add such a beautiful, natural element to your space. Another item that I couldn't leave behind that I thought was a really good deal at Goodwill was this beautiful lemon tray. Now, I did look this up online, and it run up in the money, and so Goodwill had $1 on this. And sometimes I do not understand Goodwill prices. Some things will be overpriced, and some things I feel like are underpriced. But I'm not going to complain because I did grab that tray, and as you can see, it looks like it had never been used because it still had the original sticker on it. But this would be beautifully styled, especially if you love lemonade. Get out a beautiful pitcher that you have, put some lemonade in it, get some fresh lemons. I wish I would have had some on hand, but I didn't. But I just, paired it with a beautiful glass that I have. It just makes just a beautiful piece that you can set out, and you can especially enjoy this through the summertime. You could, if you host parties at your home, this would be beautifully, set out with, like I say, lemon slices, or, add some fruit or something to this tray. So many different, uses you can make for it. And when you're not using it, you can set this out in your kitchen to add a beautiful display of some really pretty, bright, yellow, just to add that beautiful color and brightness to your home. Okay, y'all, we are at the end of the video, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. And as always, I appreciate y'all for choosing my video and coming over and doing some spring shopping and some spring decorating with me. Make sure to go out and check out Rose Forever of New York and use my discount code because you will get 20% off, but it's only for a limited time. Also, make sure to go out and check out Twing Frame, and make sure to check out their website because y'all are going to be amazed at the quality of their canvases and their affordable prices. As always, I love y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed week, and I'll plan to see all of y'all back here in a brand new video. Bye, y'all.